Alright guys, it is day 3 of being up north. Me and Megan are gonna go get some breakfast right now. So we gotta go to my grandma's, but she's pretty close. Every morning I see this guy. What's up, Bo? Bo, who's a good boy? He's like literally the friendliest dog I've ever met. And he always carries this ball around and he won't give it to you, and when you do get it, he loves to retrieve it because he's a retriever. Alright, so what are we doing now, Megan?
We're getting ready to go kayaking shortly.
So what do you think of kayaking?
That was like really fun. I would do that every week.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy one now. You got it, Grandma?
You'd be surprised how many of these come back.
Really?
People, yes.
I had to pick it. They don't get very big, do they?
I thought it was much better. Took the case off. Now we're gonna teeter-totter. Whoa. See? Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. That was awesome.
That's fun.
Good clean fun right there.
Alright guys, so we just got done fishing. This was after kayaking, which I had a blast doing. Dan, what did you think of kayaking? You didn't go, did you? You didn't go kayaking. But yeah, so now we're back. We're gonna have a fire tonight, make some s'mores. I'm gonna edit more videos. I have to edit yesterday's video, which you guys saw already. So yeah, that's what's going on. Did you have fun kayaking, Grandma?
Yes, I did.
What was your favorite part?
First time that I've ever done that.
Nice. What are we doing, Derek? We go karting!
I'm gonna get a tick.
Oh, jeez.
I'm a great driver.
Goodbye! Ah, good thing she's gone. Ah! So it looks like Dan is looking for some mice or rabbits. Oh, he's getting in there. Good boy. Yeah, try to find them. What do you see, Daniel? Come on, let's check over here. Yeah, all his trails are over there. Oh, watch out for the pointy stuff. Dang, he's just walking through that. That stuff must hurt. Dang, come on, get out. That must hurt. Keep looking. Huh?
How much you charge?
$3.50.
What's that include? Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, I'm a prostitute. I get your joke. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you like it below. How did you like kayaking?
It was great. Now we roasted.
Thanks again for watching. See ya.